1, 2, ready, go. Breaking it down real quick. Down, skip, skip, skip. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Now with a skip, skip, skip. Down, up, skip, up, skip, up, skip, skip. Down, up, skip, up, down, skip, 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 down, up. That's a different chord. I've added the pinky. Skip, switching to the A minor. Up, down, skip, skip, skip. Down, up, down, up, down, skip, skip, skip. Down, up, skip, up, skip. Up on the G, skip, up, down, skip, down, up, skip, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So hopefully you can see me adding that 1 in there. This is that last measure of the pre-verse one more time. So I'm starting with the G, which is the second note, not the one with the big swoops. So you've got up, skip, up, down, skip, down, up, skip, add the 1, up, down, take off the 1, up,